In this question, you have to identify the most abundant protein in animals. Now, option A, lectins. Lectins are carbohydrate binding proteins found in a variety of plants and animals, but they are not most abundant protein in animals. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, insulin. It is also incorrect. Insulin is a hormone which is involved in regulating blood sugar levels, and it is not the most abundant protein in animals. Option C, hemoglobin. Now, this is also incorrect. Though hemoglobin is an essential protein in RBCs, which is responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, but it is not the most abundant protein in animals. Option D, collagen. Now, collagen is the most abundant protein in animals, which makes up about 25 to 35% of the whole body weight of the protein content. And it is a structural protein which is found in connective tissues like skins, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bones, and it provides strength as well as structural integrity. Hence, it is the correct option.